Hey guys, so a few days back we saw the About Phone screenshot of the OnePlus 9 confirming most specifications, and now comes the most awaited OnePlus 9 Pro About Phone screenshot with its official render and final specifications. These screenshots come courtesy TechManiacs, and you can see the OnePlus 9 Pro got a curved display which I really love. It's not as curved as the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is fine, and there is a punch hole on top left corner. This is a 6.7 inches 1440p display with 120Hz LTPO refresh rate. Yes, Samsung's expensive display found in the S21 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra has same specifications, and I guess they'll also use MEMC, which is motion estimation, motion compensation, and some nice display features. We saw the rear design, and it has Hasselblad branding with quad cameras, 48 megapixel main camera, likely IMX689 with 8K support. Chat station said they may use an exclusive IMX789, so no information on that. 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3.3x zoom, 50 megapixel secondary shooter, so this could be IMX766 or Samsung's new GM2, no information on that. And 2 megapixel likely a macro shooter. OnePlus says joining hands with a huge brand Hasselblad, so there's surely something different about the camera, and I hope they use a better front facing selfie shooter as well. We have some screenshots of the camera applications as well, which shows 8K video recording is finally coming at 30 FPS. 8K is gonna drain your battery and storage as well, but if you are gonna use it, so great to see it's finally happening. Yeah, I showed you that standard 9 may also get 8K, which is good. So for those who want to spend less and get similar features, 9 is a good choice. Yeah, also I am giving away OnePlus 9 after its launch, so make sure to subscribe and check Gleam link to participate. The exciting part is the screenshot shows you can do 4K at 120 FPS, you can save it to 30 FPS at 4x slow motion without any quality drop. So it's surely something really smooth. So these are some camera features, and not to mention OnePlus is also adding moon mode, hyperlapse, starburst and focus peaking. So some nice features are on its way. The screenshot also shows some specifications like Snapdragon 888 5G flagship silicon, 8GB of RAM, and it runs Oxygen OS 11, which is no shocker. The model number is LE2123, which is a European variant. So this is the OnePlus 9 Pro. The specifications and features sounds good. Some news coming in about the launch. The OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9R has got BIS certification, which means they are coming to India soon. Yeah, I told you guys before also, 9R is exclusive to India and China as of now, and it will feature some jaw-dropping specifications at not so expensive price. The official launch is set for March, and OnePlus is unveiling 3 phones plus a watch, so start saving, get ready, and make sure to like, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.